Hello! Our video for today is about clot retraction time procedure. It is measured the ability of blood to clot and retract. It is highly dependent on level of fibrinogen concentration and the level of pH, and it also measures the function of platelets. The first method is the Stefanini method.
Good morning, ma'am. Ako po si Mary, lang inyong medtech for today. Kukunan ko lang po kayo ng dugo, ma'am, for clot reaction time. Ano pong pangalan niyo, ma'am?
Perlina Velasco po.
Ano pong age niyo na?
21 po.
Step 1. Collect 5 ml non-anticoagulated blood and transfer it in a clean test tube, or just make use of blood sample you collected using the red top tube. Step 2. Next is to place an applicator stick or rod in the tube and cover it with a stopper. In this case, our stopper is a Nasco film or tape to put the stick in place.
The next step is to incubate the tube at 37 degrees. We have to take note of the clot retraction that takes place after 1, 2, 4, and 24 hours. After 1 hour, report the degree of clot retraction as normal or complete retractility, partial retractility, poor and very poor retractility.
Step 4. We also need to assess the firmness and quality of the formed clot by pulling the stick and place the clot in a paper towel. A clot is stable if a few cells will come up and remain intact.
Take note after pulling the stick or rod and removing the clot if the volume of the serum remaining is half of the volume of the collected blood, then complete retraction has occurred. Record the degree of retraction and the quality observed whether the clot is stable or unstable. The next method is the McFarlane's method, or the semi-quantitative.
Step 1. You should still to collect 5 ml non-anticoagulated blood using red top tube. Step 2. Next is to place an applicator stick or rod in the tube and cover it with a stopper. In this case, our stopper is a Nasco film or tape to put the stick in place.
Step 3. Place the tube at 37 degrees Celsius water bath until clot retraction is observed. Clots formed after the first hour may be removed by passing an applicator stick around the inside of the tube and allow the tube to be incubated again for another hour. After a firm clot, the tube is allowed to stand at room temperature until clot retraction is observed. Step 4. When retraction happens carefully, free the clot from the sides of the tubes by removing the applicator stick with attached clot.
Next is measure the volume of the serum left remaining in the tube by transferring the serum into pasture pipette. Since we have no graduated cylinder, we use pasture pipette to measure the serum. The last step is to compute using a formula percent serum is equal to volume of serum divided by the number of whole blood times 100. Report the result in percent. According to my research, the normal value is 44% to 67%. Also, don't forget the quality of the clot formed following the procedure in Stefanini method. Always remember, if a solid clot, it means it has a good clot retraction. On the other hand, if there is an RBC fallout, it means it has a poor quality clot retraction. Abnormality of clot retraction is related to disorder Glanzmann's thrombosthenia because of the defective receptor glycoprotein 2B3A. And that's the method of clot retraction. Thank you for watching!